All right, this is a simple and fast review of my beauty light. It's the Wi-Fi Smart Cob LED light strip. So key component here, 16.4 feet. And what we'll see here is kind of the way the lights are made is really, really awesome. But want to just clarify, it works with Alexa, it works with Google, and your Bluetooth. So a lot of capabilities here. A real nice package, as you can see. And before we plug it in and everything, like I said, I just want to kind of showcase that it's more of like a full strip. Some of these other products come out and they're just like little, LED light, LED. So I'm going to show that it's more of a full strip. And of course, how it all comes together. So, you'll have your power outlet, which of course will plug in like this to this piece, and then of course this piece right here will simply plug in to the rest of the strip, and there are kind of little I don't know if you can really see them, but there's you'll see the little way so that it makes it pretty obvious how they go in together. And so that's the hard part right there. Getting it to turn on. It'll be the the remote control, but again with directions and with mounting pieces. You'll see that there's a user manual, which is going to be important because it's going to talk about some of the color changes and everything like that that this thing goes through. I'm going to put it in a non-normal spot. So most people put these in their bedrooms and stuff like that. I'm actually going to light up a space that I've been having difficulties with in my basement. I just again want to show you that there's power buttons and everything like that. But let's pause this and get you into to show you the lights, how they work real quick, and then we'll show you the rest once we're assembled. All right, so I'm just going to plug this in and show you again. Oof. Hopefully you can see the brightness, and it's kind of rotating through right now. So you'll kind of see, hopefully, as it rotates, and then kind of whether I want it pulsing or not. You can do a lot of different things. But again, I think kind of the cool part is, you can change colors, and I'm not going to be able to show the capabilities on your phone, but you can again connect to Wi-Fi and just adjust the color palette and everything like that, which will show. Going back here, you'll see that you can adjust the colors and everything based on exactly what you're looking for on your phone. So real cool stuff. So I'm going to get it assembled and then we'll continue. All right, so something I forgot to add is that these come with a 3M mounting tape on the back. So again, this is kind of what the pieces look like. It's just, and that's what you'll see. And then on the back of it is just 3M mounting tape. And of course, there's some pieces that you can use screws to screw through that, but also if you don't want to put holes in your wall, you can just simply use mounting tape it's got its own mounting tape that you just peel off on the back of these. So let's get it finished. All right, so I put them in a very weird spot. As you can probably see, it's on my ceiling because these lights stopped working. So I'm going to kind of show you exactly how they light up my house now. We're going to go ahead and hit that remote, and all of a sudden I've got a pretty well lit back area for storage for a lot cheaper than trying to get the electrician to come in and fix these, quite frankly, because my lights no longer work. So to me it is a huge win, and hopefully this review helps.